In this video, I will teach you how to build your own bulk SMS marketing tool software. I will share your premium source code to build this software. You can easily build bulk SMS marketing tool system software using this premium source code. Now we will see what kind of features and functionalities we will get in the website if the website is created with this source code. We are getting powerful admin panel to control the website. We can control all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel, because here we are getting all kinds of features to control SMS marketing tool software step by step. We are getting very nice website home page design. We can also create premium packages and sell them to customers. We can create these packages through the admin panel. Customers can easily register on our website. For this, customers have to select any one package, then create account by submitting correct information here. So let's now log in the account as a user. We can now see the dashboard of a customer's account. We can create camping for sending SMS. Then we can send unlimited SMS by submitting step-by-step information here. A user is getting all kinds of features in his account dashboard to manage SMS marketing tool software. By using these features, a user can manage the SMS marketing tool software very easily. So let us now learn how to build SMS marketing tool software. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create bulk SMS marketing tool software. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish bulk SMS marketing tool software online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. For this, please follow this video step by step completely. We must save this password in our notepad. Now we need to submit the SQL file to the database. We have successfully submitted the SQL file to the database. Now we will go to the env file. Now we have to submit the database information here. Then we have to save the database information. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we can change the website designs by logging into the admin panel. We have to submit default password information here to login admin panel. Now we must change the default password information of the admin panel. Now we can customize the website system step by step using this features section and functionalities of admin panel. Inside settings section we get all kinds of features to customize website home page designs. Also we must add SMS gateway methods. We are getting many companies to add SMS gateway method. You can add any company of your choice and submit this information step by step to create SMS method. Also you can earn money from the website by creating premium packages. We can create and sell these premium packages to customers. So you can now customize the admin panels according to your needs. If you have any problem in customizing the admin panel, then you can take direct help from us. We will help you customize the features and functionalities of the admin panel. In this video we learn how to build SMS marketing software. If you want to create SMS marketing software, then this premium source code will be best. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via email and WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see our next videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.